Hello, I'm Sarthak Gupta. I'm third year student pursuing BSc in Economics and Management. And when I joined ISBF, I always had a plan to go for masters and higher education, especially in the area of international business and business operations. So I think like my whole journey here have like really helped me to build a overall strong profile for the same kind of courses. And in the first year, like I was mainly focused towards the good grades. Like I was always into academics, securing good grades, and but like I had a little opportunity to get into ECA, which obviously gave another kind of exposure. But the main thing which I got actually with a blend of ECA and academics was a scholarship given by University of London in the second year, which was about a LSE summer school scholarship in Beijing in Peking University. So that was in fact like one of the biggest exposure and the opportunities which I got, and it was a big boost to my CV by my resume and everything, because there it was not just the tag which you get because of a scholarship, but then apart from that I got the kind of experience to be in a room and study with different kind of people from across the globe. So that was another experience which I think I could not have achieved anywhere else. But like apart from that, like in third year I was part of the I was in the second year itself I was a part of the student council, and there we had to manage the whole events, everyone in the society, in the college and everywhere. So that gave me a lot of leadership and management experience, which was another kind of exposure which we got here. And one major highlight I would say which I got in ISBF was I got an opportunity to start my own startup. So along with few batchmates of mine, I had my own startup. We are almost an year old, and we've gained a lot of experience. So the thing is, the kind of peer, the people we have here, they are some kind of like-minded people, and people can take initiatives, which I got, and that was one big thing which I actually added in my resume. So as of now, in terms of masters, I've secured office from Hull Business School and Frankfurt. And the one major thing about Frankfurt is that in my first term there, because of the credits, because of the academics which I've studied here, they've waived off four of my subjects. So I've saved almost a term because of the academics which I had here, and that's like a very good option. So I'm waiting for more confirmations from former institutions right now, and I think like the whole profile which I got here, like which I got a chance to build here, it reflected not just good academics, like good grades, but also in terms of experience and management skills and overall what a student needs for a good business degree, like a postgraduate degree. I got all the chances to build that, and I think that kind of exposure which ISBF gives is kind of unmatched, and I would be like really grateful for all the opportunities which I got.